We have lots of different types of vehicles on Sodor. Buses, cars, helicopters, and lots of steam engines. But one day, we had a very different type of vehicle appear on the island. All aboard for a big adventure! Cleo, the road engine. I was working on my branch line pulling trucks from the quarry when I passed Ruth's workshop. Morning, Ruth!
Oh, Thomas, I'm glad you're here. I have someone I'd like to introduce you to. Thomas, meet Cleo.
Hello, Thomas. I'm Cleo.
Wow! You're Ruth's new car! At least I think you're a car. You look a bit like a steam engine.
Cleo's a road engine, so she's kind of a bit of both.
But, Ruth, I thought you already had a flying car.
I did, Thomas, but I don't think the world is ready for flying cars yet. Anyway, we're just off to Knapford. I need to pick up some bits and pieces.
I'm on my way to Knapford too. Maybe we could travel together.
Great idea, Thomas. Although, we'll have to stick to the roads.
You've got it.